Hey, I'm Charting Man Dan. If you like this video, I encourage you to check out our website, TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis, learning, and education, where we broadcast live market coverage every morning, provide live chart consultation, and point out key levels on your favorite plays in our community chat room. Why not check out our free trial and join the best technical analysis community online? Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, we saw a bearish reversal doji formed at the top of an uptrend, extended above the upper Bollinger Band, and the red day on Friday confirmed that bearish reversal. So now we're looking down for support. We see a low of the day of 105.91. That's the first level of support, and then after that, we have the 10-day moving average 104.42. This gap here fills off of the earnings gap up. That will fill at 104.14. And then after that, we're looking at 173, the middle Bollinger Band support. So a whole lot of levels. All moving averages are support on the daily chart, as Facebook has been in a very bullish uptrend the past month, or really longer than the past month, but specifically in the past month, maintaining that 10-day moving average for the entire month of October is a significantly bullish sign. On the weekly chart, now that this candlestick has closed, you can see we are a little bit extended above the upper Bollinger Band. RSI is above 72, so looking like we could see a pullback. Facebook has been able to continue upward above the upper Bollinger Band in the past, so it's definitely key. Some people that are critics of technical analysis say all it does is tell you what's happened. Well, yeah, of course it does, but that is where we utilize patterns and seeing previous history and what has happened and apply that to what is most likely to happen in the future. So we did have a bearish reversal doji, a gravestone doji at the top of the uptrend last week. That was not confirmed as a bearish reversal with the big candlestick this week off of earnings. We'll be watching the upper Bollinger Band support, currently 104.37, and 110 is resistance for the time being. Let's zoom in now on the 5-minute charts. We utilize this time frame live on webcam every day at TheChartGuys.com. So just giving you an example of how we utilize these charts. First thing, we saw rejection from the major 100 and 200 period moving average resistances on the 5-minute chart. So that was an indication first thing in the morning in the 15 minutes of trading that we were going to see some more downside today and that the bears were going to be in control of Facebook. Once we saw some lower lows for the candlesticks forming, specifically this candlestick breaking the low of the day, and then we were rejected by the 20 period moving average resistance for the rest of the morning, heading down, finding support off of that 105.91 level, like I said, and then once that 20 period moving average resistance was turned into support, we started an uptrend for the rest of the day. So this is the middle Bollinger Band on the 5-minute chart, that 20 period moving average, and it is essential to utilize just like it is on the daily and weekly time frame. All the technical analysis, indicators, and chart patterns that are used on the daily time frame can be applied to the 5-minute chart for day trading and just more details in general. You look at the chart I just showed you on the daily chart, and there is, a candlestick telling you the low, the high, the open, the close. But you can look here and see how the price reacted to some of these resistances, when support was found, and it's just generally a whole lot more information. So we use these charts, the 5-minute charts, live on webcam daily for a couple hours, an hour and a half every morning starting at 9:15, and then again in the afternoon for the close. So come on by to thechartguys.com, give us a free week trial, and I guarantee you'll learn a little something. And hopefully you stick around because you enjoy the service. I look forward to meeting you in the chat room, and I appreciate you watching this video. Have a great rest of your weekend.